Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Leo. This acrylic jewelry organizer box features a beautiful design with a transparent acrylic exterior that is both durable and light permeable. The inside is lined with soft velvet, ensuring efficient protection for your jewelry. The handle, made of comfortable leather, adds a stylish touch to rectangular box, whose curved top designs exude vintage vibe. The metal loft on the lids enhance the security of this box, while the interior small compartments allow you to store different types of jewelry such as rings, earrings, and necklaces. It is a practical way to keep your precious item from scratching each other, and the transparent exterior to make it easy to find what you need. Overall, this jewelry box is a convenient and appealing solution for those who value organization and aesthetics. This is the end of today. If you are interested in these products, please subscribe us. Okay, see you next time. Goodbye.